Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Singapore at the Singapore FinTech Festival with Tal Cohen. He's president at Nasdaq, leading Nasdaq's market services and FinTech divisions. We're here to discuss the future of FinTech, addressing data privacy and compliance regulatory challenges, and integrating cloud computing and AI solutions. It is great to have you with us, Tal. Welcome back to TradeTalks.
Yeah, it's great to be with you, Jill.
And it's such an interesting environment at the Singapore FinTech Festival. We're talking about evolving and rapid technological developments. What are some of the trends that are shaping the future of FinTech, and how is Nasdaq leveraging those trends?
Yeah, what we've been hearing from our customers for the greater part of the last year and a half, is they're trying to manage a few things. One is how to better manage risk, real-time risk, more granular risk, in a better way that allows them to optimize capital. The second is around changing regulatory landscape, just regulatory forms, the explosion in regulatory costs and obligations, the need to comply. And then the last is modernization, this journey that they're on, whether it's to modernize through the cloud or adopt new technologies like AI. We've been hearing those as common themes for our clients, and it comes under three themes that we think about. It's either they want to streamline and comply with regulation, they want to simplify and standardize to reduce operational complexity, or it's to modernize and digitize so they can deal with the forces of change.
So when we think about integrating cloud computing and artificial intelligence, how do you think that's driving this transformation?
Well, it's a confluence of two technologies that are coming to unleash the power of AI. You kind of need the both to make sure that you can take advantage of the collective benefit from them. And the one way that we see it really benefiting our customers is if you adopt the cloud, that enables you to unleash the power of AI responsibly and safely, hopefully, as you take it through the cloud. But you want to manage your complexity of your organization through automation and AI technologies that allow you to scale up the productivity that you want and allow you to put more features in your products that benefit your customers.
Yeah, and while we're addressing the benefits of AI, I also think it's fair to talk about some of the challenges. What are some of the biggest data privacy and compliance challenges, and how are they being addressed?
The two biggest that we run into is one, governance. You have to have proper governance, and the second is upskilling your employee base so they can go on this journey with you. And with respect to governance, that really is the lubricant for innovation. So making sure that you have the right governance in place across all the POCs that you might run, all the ideas that come through the organization. So you have a committee of individuals understanding where our data is, what we're looking at in terms of privacy, and what are the rules of the road. So that's really, really important. And then on the employee side, if we don't upskill our employees, we're not going to get to that adoption that we want. So even if it's a great idea and we have a proof of concept, getting and training our employees on it is material to us scaling those solutions.
Of course, and what about challenges when it comes to cloud-based solutions? How is Nasdaq supporting the industry to overcome those challenges?
As a highly regulated institution that's moved mission critical and real-time applications to the cloud, we're sharing with our clients the blueprint that we've set over the last 10 years. Whether it's moving a market to the cloud or other critical applications into the cloud, we're working with our clients. We actually can understand their challenges as a highly regulated institution and share with them how they might want to work with industry, work with regulators, and work with customers, and building a bridge from where they are today to where they want to be tomorrow.
Yeah, and Tal, how do you see TradFi adopting these types of strategies and technologies to stay competitive?
So the way that we frame it with our customers is these are forces of disruptions, whether the competitive pressures or the need to advance or adopt advanced technologies, and you want to partner with somebody that's a technological leader and somebody that understands your needs. And so Nasdaq, having done what we've done, really is in a privileged position to have those conversations with our customers, those tough conversations about what it means from migrating legacy technology to the most advanced technologies, how to incorporate them into your technology stack, how to make sure you scale them, how to make sure that the industry, and again, your regulators, understand the risk that you wear as you take this journey from TradFi to DeFi.
All right, Tal, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me from the Singapore FinTech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.